Best air fryers. Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a versatile 6-in-1 kitchen appliance designed for quick and convenient meal preparation. With 6 cooking functions: broiling, dehydrating, air frying, roasting, reheating, and baking, it simplifies cooking a variety of dishes. Its 6-quart capacity is ideal for families or individuals who enjoy batch cooking. The Vortex Plus stands out for its even crisp technology, which ensures golden, crispy textures while using significantly less oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying. Its customizable temperature and time settings give users control over their cooking, allowing precision and creativity in preparing meals. The air fryer features an easy-to-use touchscreen interface with pre-programmed cooking settings for added convenience. It also offers over 100 recipes through the accompanying app, helping users explore a variety of meals with minimal effort. Cleanup is simple, thanks to its non-stick, dishwasher-safe cooking basket and tray. Compact and stylish, the Vortex Plus fits well on most countertops, making it a space-saving option for modern kitchens. It caters to diverse dietary preferences, from crisping vegetables to roasting chicken or baking desserts. Overall, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a powerful, multifunctional appliance that saves time and reduces the hassle of cooking while delivering delicious, crispy results. It's perfect for health-conscious individuals or busy households looking to streamline their cooking routine. Number 2. The Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 is a compact yet spacious 6-quart appliance designed for efficient and versatile cooking. With 9 cooking functions: roast, bake, dry, reheat, cook frozen foods, broil, and proof dough, it simplifies meal preparation for families or individuals seeking convenience and variety. The air fryer's turbo modes enable fast cooking, while its wide temperature range of 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit ensures precise results, catering to everything from slow drying to high-heat broiling. Its even heat technology delivers consistent cooking, producing crisp textures with up to 95% less oil than traditional frying methods, making it a healthier choice. Designed for user-friendliness, the Cosori features an intuitive control panel with clearly labeled presets and customizable options for time and temperature. Its non-stick basket is dishwasher-safe, ensuring hassle-free cleanup, while the compact design saves counter space without compromising capacity. The 6-quart size is ideal for preparing meals for up to 4 people, accommodating dishes like roasted vegetables, baked goods, or a whole chicken. The proofing function is particularly appealing for baking enthusiasts, enabling dough preparation in a controlled environment. Aesthetically, the sleek gray finish makes it a stylish addition to modern kitchens. Its versatility and health-focused design suit a range of cooking needs, from reheating leftovers to creating gourmet meals with minimal oil. The Cosori Air Fryer is a reliable, feature-rich appliance that simplifies cooking, offering flexibility and healthy options for busy lifestyles. Its efficient performance and intuitive design make it a practical choice for anyone looking to elevate their culinary routine with less effort. Number 3. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer, BOV860 BSS, is a premium countertop appliance that combines convection oven and air fryer functionalities in a sleek brushed stainless steel design. Its versatility allows it to air fry, toast, bake, roast, broil, and reheat, making it a multifunctional solution for various cooking needs. Powered by Element IQ technology, the oven provides precise and even heating by adjusting its 5 quartz elements according to the selected cooking mode. The integrated convection fan accelerates cooking by circulating hot air, ensuring crispy textures and faster results, perfect for air frying and roasting. The smart oven's spacious interior can accommodate a variety of dishes, including a 12-inch pizza, a whole chicken, or up to 6 slices of toast, making it ideal for families or frequent entertainers. Its easy-to-navigate LCD display provides intuitive access to multiple preset functions, while adjustable temperature and time controls offer flexibility for customized cooking. The appliance's brushed stainless steel finish is not only durable but also adds a touch of elegance to the kitchen. The included non-stick accessories, such as the air fry basket and baking pan, enhance convenience and simplify cleanup. Designed for health-conscious cooking, the air fryer function minimizes oil usage while delivering crispy, delicious results. Its multi-purpose design makes it a great alternative to traditional ovens, saving energy and counter space. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is a powerful, versatile, and stylish appliance that caters to a wide range of cooking styles. Perfect for busy households or food enthusiasts, it combines functionality and performance in one compact device, making it a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. Number 4. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a compact and versatile 4-in-1 kitchen appliance designed to simplify cooking while promoting healthier meals. With functions for air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, broiling, and dehydrating, it caters to a wide variety of dishes, including frozen foods, vegetables, and meats. The 4-quart capacity is ideal for individuals or small households, offering enough space to cook up to 2 pounds of fries or other snacks. The air fryer uses advanced heating technology to deliver crispy, golden textures with up to 75% less oil than traditional frying methods, making it a great choice for health-conscious users. Its temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit provides flexibility for slow-drying or high-heat cooking, enabling even dehydration of fruits, veggies, or homemade snacks. The AF101 is designed for convenience, with a non-stick ceramic-coated basket and crisper plate that are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup effortless. The sleek, compact design and a gray finish fits well on most countertops without taking up much space. Its straightforward controls, including a digital timer and temperature display, ensure ease of use for both beginners and experienced cooks. The Ninja Air Fryer is particularly suited for quick and easy meals, offering consistently crispy results for frozen foods, perfectly roasted vegetables, and juicy meats. Its energy-efficient operation and multifunctionality make it a practical addition to any kitchen. In summary, the Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a reliable, compact, and user-friendly appliance that delivers healthier, delicious meals with less oil. Perfect for small households or those with limited kitchen space, it's a versatile and efficient tool for modern cooking needs. Number 5. The Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer is a versatile and spacious appliance designed for efficient cooking of large meals. With its 7-quart megazone capacity and a flexible basket divider, it allows for cooking large proteins, full meals, or 2 different dishes simultaneously. This flexibility makes it ideal for family-sized portions or entertaining guests. The air fryer offers 6 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, broil, and dehydrate, providing versatility for a wide range of meals. Its standout feature, Smart Finish, enables the preparation of 2 foods in 2 different ways, ensuring they finish cooking simultaneously for hassle-free meal preparation. The FlexBasket design allows users to switch between a single large cooking zone or 2 smaller sections with the included divider. This adaptability makes it perfect for everything from roasting a whole chicken to crisping fries and vegetables simultaneously. With a wide temperature range and precise control, the DZ071 ensures even cooking and crispy textures with minimal oil, promoting healthier eating. The intuitive control panel simplifies operation, while the dishwasher-safe non-stick basket and accessories make cleanup quick and easy. The sleek black design is both modern and durable, fitting well into any kitchen aesthetic. Its family-sized capacity and advanced features cater to busy households looking for quick, easy, and nutritious meal solutions. In summary, the Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer is a highly versatile and efficient appliance that simplifies cooking for families or large gatherings. Its innovative design, large capacity, and ability to cook 2 dishes at once make it a practical addition for anyone looking to save time and enjoy healthier, delicious meals.